Have you ever faced the irritating SIM pin grayed out issue on your iPhone? You're not alone. This often happens due to network settings or incorrect configurations. Let's explore the quick fixes. First, check your SIM card. Remove it carefully and reinsert to ensure it's seated properly. Next, go to Settings, then Cellular. Ensure your network is visible and connected. If the issue persists, try resetting your network settings. It can resolve various connectivity issues. Still grayed out? It might be a carrier lock issue. Contact your service provider for assistance. Always keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS to avoid bugs and glitches. Additionally, consider backing up your device. It ensures your data is safe during troubleshooting. Finally, a good practice is to document any changes you make for future reference. And there you have it. Troubleshooting the grayed out SIM pin is simple with these steps. For more tips like these, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Happy troubleshooting!